tayong masyadong seryoso. Chill lang, relax lang. We're here to celebrate foremost.
We would like to extend our support to the Be Well in keeping Isabela City and the province of Basilan peaceful, stable, livable, and prosperous.
We should stop pulling one another down. When you lift someone else, you lift everyone else in the community with you.
Na i-reverse natin ang masamang impression nila sa Mindanao at ibigay natin sa buong mundo kung ano ang maganda at mabuti sa Mindanao.
We want to recognize yung mga kababaihan na nagpapatakbo, literally, ng ating mga local government.
I believe that women leaders play a significant part in lobbying for the needs of the communities and ensuring continuous peace.
Women get an equal chance to shape and influence public decisions.
So, etong pagtitipon na to, eto yung pagtitipon ng mga pinakamagagaling na ng mga kababaihan.
Embrace equity. That means equality for all. Right? You embrace equity. We are all equal. All of us.
So kung ma-inspire din kayo, hindi lang ho sa trabaho nila, but the very lives that they live.
So it's the women who are pushing for gender responsive and gender sensitive policies. It's the women who are pushing for policies on health, on education, the social services that are being provided.
Post more photos, more pictures, more stories about Mindanao. It's better that we put our stories out there na galing sa atin. Maliit na bagay pero malaki ang impact. Gawin po nating tool itong mga social media.
Talagang makikita mo no, na iba pag babae nagtrabaho.
The right for everybody to enjoy, to develop, to be the best that you can be.
I want you to understand what your mayor's doing, what we are doing here, all of us trying to empower women.
Itong araw na to ay celebration nating mga women executive and legislators po ng Basilan.
Hindi ko inisip na feminist ako na I have to assert myself. Hindi, it came naturally to me na kung kaya mong gawin, gawin mo. Ganun lang ka-simple.
Women are change makers, and Bangsamoro women have and will continue to prove this. We are supporting each other, and I think we should spread that, no? Mas dapat na palaguin yung ganong klaseng value. Kaya tayo papasok sa politics kasi gusto natin ng human development, gusto natin ng lasting peace and development.
Kasi ako naniniwala ako, kung kilala mo yung sarili mo, mas bangha tausog pa mahugot intinduhan, mas stable ka, mas yung pagkakatayo mo, hindi ka basta-basta matitinag, hindi ka basta-basta matutuwa.
Gaano man kalaki yung hamon, wala tayong hindi kakayanin kung haharapin lang natin. Huwag matinag. iba-iba yung pinag-uusapan, pero at the end of the day, nako-connect natin. Kasi isa lang talaga yung puso natin. Isa lang yung passion natin.
You are an Austronesian. We have equivalent male-female power.
Do not underestimate your power. You are where you are because you are destined to be there, and you are destined to make great changes and great steps to benefit your community.